What's up guys, welcome to Lativa's Python tutorial. In the last time we have talked about the arithmetic, comparison and logical operators. And today I gonna talk about the bitwise assignment, identity and membership operators. At first, let's take a look at bitwise operators. It is related with decimal and binary. And in the first sample, we use bitwise and to calculate. In this situation, we can see the two numbers about the decimal 1 and decimal 2. And decimal 1's binary is 0, 1 and decimal 2 is 1, 0. And we use bitwise and operators to calculate. And we can see the first binary number is 1 and 0. And the bitwise and operators is just like the concept of intersection, so we know the outcome is 0. The second binary number is 0 and 1 and outcomes is 0. So we know the outcome of 1 bitwise and 2's binary is 0 and 0, and we switch the binary back to the decimal, the outcome is 0. Alright, at the second sample, let's take a look at the bitwise OR operators. In the same situation, we use 1 and 2 to calculate by bitwise OR operators. And we can see the binary number is 0, 1 and 1, 0. And we use bitwise OR operators to calculate it. It is the concept just like the union. So we know the number of binary 1 and 0. The outcome is 1. And the second binary is 0 and 1. The outcome is 1. So we know that 1 bitwise or 2, the outcome of binary is 1, 1. And we switch the binary back to the decimal, so we know the outcome is 3. Alright, it is a little bit of complicated, but never mind. Let's demonstrate it and you will understand more. Well, for example, 1 bitwise and 2, and we type Shift plus Enter to execute it, and it outputs 0. And we type 1 bitwise for 2, execute it, it outcomes 3. Or we type 1 bitwise and 3, it's 1. Or we type 1 bitwise or 3, it's 3. Alright, let's take a look at assignment operators. You can see the white blocks, they are the symbols of assignment operators. And you can also see the meanings and the expressions of assignment operators. Demonstrate it. Well, let's take a look at assignment operators. For example, we set a variable x equals 10 and x plus equals 2 and print x. Yeah, we got 12. Or we change the assignment operators to minus equals 2 and we got 8. Or we change and x equals 2, yeah, we got 20. Alright, we go on talking about the identity and membership operators. At first, identity operators. We set x equals 100 and y equals 200. And x is y. Execute it. Yeah, we got false, but we type x is not y. Yeah, it is true. And second, we go on talking about the membership operators. we set a list about player. Trade Williamson and Doncic. And we print trade in the list of players. Yeah, we got true. Or we print Jordan in the list of players. Yeah, we got false, but we change Jordan not in the list of players. Yeah, we got true. Alright, it is very simple, right? Today we have talked about the bitwise assignment, identity, and membership operators. If you like this video, please click thumbs up, share this video, and subscribe. See you next time.